Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize StreamYard to host LinkedIn live events, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize StreamYard to host LinkedIn live events, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the StreamYard website. If you don't have an account, sign up for one. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you will be taken to the StreamYard dashboard. Look for the option that says Create a Broadcast. Click on this option to start the process. You will see a prompt to choose where you want to go live. Select the LinkedIn option from the list of available platforms. A pop-up window will appear asking for authorization. Click on the button that says Authorize with LinkedIn. You will be redirected to the LinkedIn login page. Enter your LinkedIn credentials to log in. If you are already logged in, you may skip this step. After logging in, LinkedIn will request your permission to allow StreamYard to access your account. Review the permissions carefully before proceeding. If you agree, click Allow to grant StreamYard access. You will be redirected back to StreamYard's dashboard. Now, you should see that LinkedIn is successfully connected. To create a new broadcast, click on the Create a Broadcast button again. Select LinkedIn as your destination once more. Enter the title of your live event in the provided field. Fill in any additional details such as the description and scheduled time. Once you've completed all the fields, click on the Create Broadcast button. Your StreamYard account is now authorized to host LinkedIn live events. You can now manage your broadcast settings and go live as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.